Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this moment, I will try to talking about uh, year-end disaster that occur in Indonesia. A 5.6 magnitude earthquake struck in the mountainous Cianjur region on the west coast of Indonesia's Java Island just before 1:30 p.m. local time on November 21, 2022. The quake's epicenter was relatively shallow at about 6.2 miles in depth. Hundreds of aftershocks of varying intensities have been felt since that are hampering recovery efforts. The quake the quake was felt as far away as Jakarta, about 60 miles northwest of Cianjur, and in the nearby cities of Sukabumi and Bandung. The search and rescue efforts have moved into search and recovery as some people were buried in their homes and other buildings, which either collapsed around them or were swept away in a landslide. Officials are continuing to assess damage and report significant damage to buildings, infrastructure, and communications. Local emergency responders were supplemented by support from the government of Indonesia, the military, the Indonesia Red Cross, and hundreds of non-governmental organizations from the area. As of November 28th, Emergency Management Command of the incident was passed from the federal agency on the regional government of Cianjur Regency. The lesson that we can learn from this disaster is that we must always pray to Allah to be prevented from various dangers and disasters which we never know when and where they occur. If we know in the Cianjur Regency, there is almost never an earthquake. Cianjur Regency almost safe from earthquake, but once it is shaken by an earthquake with only a small magnitude, just 5.6. But many people become victims. Yeah. So that's the important to always pray to Allah because we never know when and where dangers and disaster will be occurred. Uh, and then in addition, because Indonesia is one of the countries with the most earthquakes, we must take we must we must give attention to architecture and the strength of the building materials that we live in. I mean our home. Yeah. So we must consider the design and the material of our home. Yeah, that we live in. Yeah, our building that we live in to withstand earthquake shocks. Uh, I think just that all. that I can say. Thank you for listening. I hope it is useful. See you in next discussion, in next topic. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.